Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to verify age on Character AI. Verifying your age on Character AI is pretty straightforward, although the process just feels a little like applying for secret agent clearance just to chat with a fictional character. When I went through it, I started by opening the app settings, then heading into Advanced and Account Settings, where the Verify Age option appears. Tapping it usually opens a browser page, even if you started inside the app. So don't be surprised when it suddenly throws you into another tab like it's teleporting for security reasons. From there, you just press the verification button and follow the instructions carefully. The system normally asks for your country first, so it knows what kind of government ID to expect. Then you'll need to take a clear photo of your ID and sometimes complete a quick face verification using your camera. I definitely recommend using a device with decent lighting and camera quality because blurry photos tend to slow the progress down fast. After submitting everything, verification can take anywhere from a few minutes to longer depending on the review system. But once approved, your age status updates automatically and you should be able to access the account features tied to verification. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.